My video guide will help you to understand the danger of unwanted browser extension, which is called Daily Jokes. Daily Jokes is a new unwanted extension designed specifically for the Google Chrome browser. This particular extension is often spread through deceptive and fake alerts that may tell you to download some browser updates or fake software updates. If people mistakenly agree with such proposals, they actually download and install this Daily Jokes unwanted extension. This extension, by the way, may work as a browser hijacker because it changes the default search engine without the user's permission. Whenever you start submitting some search queries, you would get the results by some other fake search engines not chosen by you initially. Anyway, this Daily Jokes extension is not what you need. If it was mistakenly installed into your Google Chrome browser, and if it causes such unwanted browser redirections randomly, definitely you should undertake the measures and get rid of it as soon as possible. To do it, access the menu, go to More Tools, Extensions. So if you find any third-party extensions like that, make sure you undertake the measures and get rid of such unwanted extensions. Of course, you could also carefully examine the control panel of your computer and uninstall any suspicious programs in case you find them. If you find anything not familiar, of course, do not hesitate to uninstall it in the regular manner. Once again, how to remove unwanted browser extensions. Menu, More Tools, Extensions. Then, if you find any third-party extensions here, disable and remove them completely. To make sure that your computer is free of other threats, I recommend researching it with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com and download it, install it, and start researching the system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.